One time for the birthday chick. 2 times for the birthday chick. 3 times for the birthday chick. Go ahead and visit your birthday chick.
What up, y'all? What's good? Happy Sunday. So, I have to go pick up my cake. I'm glad it stopped raining because today is my birthday dinner. And, yeah, I'm doing my birthday dinner like a little early because I'll be on my vacation when my birthday comes around. So I want to celebrate with friends and family who's not going to be on my birthday trip with me. So, you know what I'm saying, it's only right I do it now. And then I was like, everybody was like, well, do it when you come back. And I was like, nah, I get back really late. And, yeah, so being that I get back really late, when I come back that following weekend, I'll be getting ready for like church the next day. And then that following weekend, I'm back out of town again. So I'm like, if I don't do it, the month of May is going to go out. And no birthday dinner, like, or no chilling with my peeps or whatever for my birthday. And like, these are some of like my closest friends. I'm missing a few. Like, I miss my bro Gam and my boo, my big sister Jew. I miss them. I hate they can't be here to come and celebrate. And of course, BOC, my Bella and Britt. So, you know, but we have plans for the link up. Y'all know how to park my car in Egypt because they are still working on the parking lot. So, of course, yeah, I couldn't park near my house because I got in pretty late last night or whatever, being that we had Liv's birthday, so we have to go Kamaal back there. Hold on, y'all ain't gonna be able to see him until we come down steps because we all going down the steps at the same time. But we styling. Hold up, here we go. There you go. Ooh, Mr. Cake Man is soft. Y'all, like, we about to go. Hold on, I just gotta find my key. So, yeah, we on our way to this birthday dinner. Hold on, y'all. Let's see. Look at the situation right here, y'all. I gotta go up under this thing. Like, how low can you go? How low can you go? How low can you go? All right, y'all. But I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the spot. Everybody, this is Kia. You haven't met Kia, but this is my other bud. the kids, Jada, this Kamaal, and Kamaal made my cake, guys. Nice to meet you. It go Tam down there. It go Tam, everybody. Y'all, back in the building now, I can zip up my shoe, y'all. Told y'all they had on those shoes, but now we good. We good to go. Getting them zipped up right now. Yeah. Okay. We getting it done. Ooh, we in business. Okay. Give me some water, because I'm kind of hot. I was like, I'm gonna partake in some situations for sure. Okay. We just gotta figure it out. Me and Tam came here. What was that, last year? That was last year, wasn't it? Sometime last year when we came here? We came here last year and been trying to figure out what we had to drink. Can't even remember, and what we had to eat, because I want the same pasta. But I don't even know what we had. I'm about to look. I'm gonna come back to y'all, cause hold on, I can't do it. Hold on, I gotta show you this, cause that's my birthday. They established 1985. That's my year. Hold on, y'all. Kamaal was over there getting my cake situated. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I put all his info in the description box. So if y'all want a cake and y'all in the Hampton Roads area, or whatever, y'all gotta do it, cause of course my cake gonna be popping, cause he did it for me. Y'all stoked out. But y'all, I really do gotta figure out what I had to drink and eat. So I can't talk to y'all no more. I'm coming back. Go Carmen. And go Liv. And there goes Rumi. We getting in there. We getting it. We getting it. We getting it, y'all. We making it have fun. Got my lituation. That's good. Real good. Okay. Yeah, they do got that little kick. It's mango crush. Does that?
Yeah, it's like specials. Tonight we have a 4 cheese.
Look at him.
Mannequin and
We not playing with him in this mannequin. He always come to my house with this mannequin. But he in the building. Pyro in the building. Over here messing with these kids. Go my meal. It's like shrimp and crab meat over like fettuccine noodles with some tomato sauce, and it's so good. Kia got the same thing. Shut up, boy. Look at Rumi lamb chops though.
Lamb chops, play along.
Get into that. Them potatoes look real good. I'm just saying. And yes, Pyro, I told you to shut up. But you're not. He get on my nerves, y'all. I don't know what these two over here doing. That's good, thank you. Here they go, we about to eat. Bon. Good. Yes.
You can get some of this.
Like now. You better leave my baby alone.
We got problems now.
Everybody getting their food. We hungry. I'm about to eat, so I'm gonna come back.
Happy birthday
to me.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Okay, and what I want to wish for you, I know I want everything.
No.
You can have some by flower. Let's see. You know, yeah. I'm at home. I'm tired. Now I gotta get ready for bed. Because my mom, they did all my laundry and did all my stuff and got me ready for work tomorrow. So I just gotta get myself together. But I'm tired. I really just want to go to sleep. She was like, you gotta take your makeup off. Your hair, you gotta get your hair braided. I was like, yeah, I do. Because we can't go to sleep like this. I mean, we was cute today though. We was cute. Dress was from Pretty Little Thing. Blazer, I don't remember exactly where the company I got it from. I got my little Chanel brooch like some years ago. I can't even tell you where I got it from. I had on some gold shoes or whatever, and y'all, I put them on like at the valet. I low-key don't even know where they at. Oh, my son came and brought them and put them right in my shoe room while they was supposed to go. But these were the shoes of the night. Outfit, kit, blazer. I was like, yes, honey, we cute. Okay. Right. You know what I'm saying? To take my little post, my little picture. You know what I'm saying? Had to get it together. Oh. Yes. I should have got everybody. I should have got them to take like a picture of the crew. Because we came in there to do it, honey. Everybody was ready. My crew lit. They popping. They be on it. You know what I'm saying? Get you a crew like mine. My mom's phone just been going off. Like, she must really be popping because her phone stays blowing up. But y'all, let me see where I can put y'all so y'all can see me. Ooh, boy. Why she talk so loud? Why though? Just why? Why does my mama talk so loud? Like, you're not in the country, boo-boo. And you in the house. And my house echoes because it's like so much space up front. Oh, and she talking to my sister. My big sister. And she can't hear. So she be talking extra dumb loud too. They're talking about my birthday cake. Come on, you did that. Oh, I'm tired. Boots. I'm just coming all out the dress because I'm ready to go to bed. So, hey. It is what it is. My makeup was cute though. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I need to get a tan because my arms don't match this part of the body. Like, they're so light. I guess because they're always covered up. I need to go send somebody something. Go lay out on the beach or something. But, baby, I got like 4 days until I leave. And I'm going to get all the good tan. All the good tan. We're going to find out why my mama talking so loud and my babies are asleep. Like, don't wake them up, honey. They need to be asleep, okay? But I appreciate y'all for hanging with me today for my birthday dinner. You know what I'm saying? Take you on so we can continue this birthday celebration like only Tauruses do. You know what I'm saying? All month long. Get it how we live. But yeah, let me take this makeup off. Get in the shower. Get my life together. I might turn on the TV, but then the TV's probably going to be watching me. But that's okay though. That's okay. It's cool. That's cool. It's cool. But yeah. I'm just kind of like, why I put this glitter on my eye? I mean, it showed up, it showed out, but I low-key, like, I gotta take this off. You know, if you wear makeup, glitter sucks. It sucks to take off. So y'all can see. Into it. Lashes, matter of fact, what lashes am I wearing today? Let me show y'all. Matter of fact, I don't even know what I did with the little box thing. I think I am wearing from the Lash Firm. I think these is what these are. And let me see. I think these are Mystic. I think these are Mystic that I'm wearing today. I think that's what this is. I'm thinking, I don't know. Maybe if I put my stuff back up right, we would know. But it's been a rush kind of weekend, so hey. It is what it is. But for real, I'm really about to go. Because the longer I sit right here, the more I don't want to do anything. And I really need to go to bed. Then of course, oh yeah, for real, you know what I'm saying? Hair. D&D Hair Perfection, you know what I'm saying? That's Indian hair coming to the website this week. Lord willing that I can get it done before I leave. It's going to be on there. If not, it's going to be on there that following week. You know what I'm saying? Custom unit made by me. You know, well, the charms come through with the toning. Popping. I'm gonna do it straight and just see how it looks like straight. I mean, I love it curly, but straight will probably be bomb too. My mom and they're eating my birthday cake. Kamaal, my mom said that cake was really good. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody can't make like these decorative cakes and they actually be soft and good. Everybody ain't able. Everybody ain't able. But you did that. So shouts out to you. Okay, y'all, for real. Toodles, let me go.
One time for the birthday chick. 2 times for the birthday chick.